بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. The first practical lab is about light microscopy. The objective learning of this lesson is knowledge about different parts of the light microscope and how to use the light microscope. What's the meaning of light microscope? Light microscope is an instrument used in the examination of the invisible objects which cannot seen by the naked eye. Light microscope is composed of three main parts: mechanical part, optical part, and light source. Mechanical part is consisting of the following: body of the microscope. It is representing the main parts of the microscope on which the other parts are settled. يعني هو الجزء أو الباكبون للمجهر اللي بقية الأجزاء تثبت عليه. The body of the microscope includes body tube. Body tube contain mirrors and prism that transmit the image from the objective lens to the ocular lens. هذا الجزء من الميكانيكال بارت هو يسمى بالبودي تيوب. البودي تيوب يحتوي لنا على mirrors أو مرايا وموشور ينقل لنا الصورة من الأوبجكتيف لينس إلى الأوكولار لينس. The second part, body or arm, used for holding of the microscope. And the third part of the body of the microscope is called base or foot, used for standing or supporting of the microscope. The other parts of the mechanical parts, it is called stage, المنصة. It is a part on which the object is fixed and it is adjustable. That means it is can changed on X, Y direction as well as up and down. يعني هذه المنصة التي توضع عليها العينة لها القدرة على الحركة أو التغيير للأعلى والأسفل وكذلك على المحوري الصيني والصادي. Mechanical stage knobs. There are two types of the mechanical stage knobs used to movement of the stage on the X and Y direction. يستخدم هذه العجلتين لتغيير العينة أو تغيير الستيج على محوري الصيني والصادي. Focus adjustment knobs. There are two knobs: fine adjustment knobs and coarse adjustment knobs. العجلة الكبيرة تسمى بالcoarse adjustment knob والعجلة الصغيرة تسمى بالfine adjustment knob. What the benefit of the focus adjustment knobs? Used to changing the distance between the object on the one side or slide and objective on the other side. يعني هي تحرك لنا المسافة ما بين العينة من جهة وما بين الأوبجكتيف لينس من جهة لغرض توضيح الصورة. iris diaphragm. طبعا هذا يكون موجود تحت المنصة. What the benefit of the iris diaphragm? Control the amount of the light which enter the condenser lens. Slide holder or clips. called clips used for fixing of the object on the stage. يعني يستخدم لتثبيت العينة أو الشريحة الزجاجية على المنصة. Revolving disc used to move the objective lens or objective lenses from one to another. يعني تتحرك، نريد تكبير من 4 إلى 10 أو من 10 إلى 40، نستخدم revolving disc أو قرص الدوار. انتهينا من الجزء الرئيسي وهو الميكانيكال بارت. نجي إلى الجزء الآخر اللي هو الأوبتيكال بارت. Consist of 3 systems of lenses. Condenser lens, first condenser lens, which located beneath the stage and condenses the light before it passes through the specimen to be more illuminate and is brighter. يعني تستخدم هذه لتكثيف الإضاءة المارة من خلالها، من مصدر الإضاءة يمر خلال العينة ليصبح أكثر وضوح ولمعان. The other types of the optical part is called objective lenses. There are magnifying this specimen and sending its image to the ocular lens. يعني وظيفته هنا شنو؟ تكبر لنا الصورة الموجودة بالعينة ومن ثم ترسلها إلى الأوكيولار لينس، عدسات العينية. There are 2 types of the objective lenses. Low power magnification of objective lens magnify the object 4x and 10x, and the other types high power magnification of objective lens, including objective that magnify 40x and objective that magnify 100x or called oil immersion lens. عندنا نوعين من الأوبجكتيف لينس، يا أما low power اللي تشمل لنا 4x تكبير أكبر 4x و10x، أو high power تشمل لنا تكبير 40x و100x. The third part of the optical part is called ocular lens or eyepiece. What's the benefit of the ocular lens? Magnify the image a second time and sending the final image to the viewer's retina or photographic plate. The magnification power usually 10x. الايبيس أو الأوكيولار لينس أو العدسات العينية وظيفتها هي تكبر لنا الصورة للمرة الثانية وترسل الصورة إلى العين أو إلى الشاشة. The other parts, as well as mechanical parts and optical part, the presence of the light source. Usually, sunlight or electrical bulb light. In both cases, the wavelength of the light is limited. How to calculate the total magnification power? The total magnification power is obtained by multiplying the magnifying power of the objective and ocular lenses. يعني حاصل الضرب ما بين قيمة الأوبجكتيف لينس مع الأوكيولار لينس. Magnification power of the objective lens 4x, 10x, 40x or 100x. And the magnification power of the ocular lens is 10x. For example, 4x by 10x equal to 40x. 10x by 10x equal to 100x. يعني هنا تكون قوة التكبير أما 40 إذا استخدمنا العدسة العينية الشيئية الصغيرة، وتكون 100x إذا استخدمنا العدسة الشيئية ذات 10x. Other example, 40x by 10x equal to 400x, and 100x by 10x equal to 1000x. How can use the light microscope? Clean the glass lenses using this special filter, and also clean the slide and then put this slide on the stage and fix it by the slide holder. Switch on the light source by this screw. Use the smallest objective lens، طبعا اللي هي ذات التكبير 4x اللي هي أصغر عدسة شيئية. Move the slide to correct the position by using of mechanical stage knobs. طبعا هذه mechanical stage knobs كما ذكرنا سابقا تستخدم لتصحيح الموقع عن طريق حركة الستيج أو السبيسمن أو السلايد على محوري السيني والصادي. Use the coarse focus adjustment knob to clear the image of the object. عندما نستخدم العدسة الصغيرة 4x نستخدم أو 10x أيضا نستخدم معها coarse adjustment knobs. Magnify the image by changing the objective lenses to the higher one. يعني بالبداية نستخدم 4x ومن ثم نحولها إلى 10x ونوضح الصورة باستخدام coarse adjustment knob. إذا نحتاج إلى تكبير أكبر نستخدم العدسة الشيئية ذات التكبير 40x أو 100x. Use the fine focus knob to clear the image. يعني ما نستخدم العجلة الكبيرة للتوضيح بهذه الحالة، نستخدم العجلة الصغيرة اللي تسمى fine focus knob لعدم كسر السلايد. Use the special oil on using oil immersion lens. يعني إذا استخدمنا أعلى تكبير اللي هي 100x يجب استخدام قطرة زيت توضع على العينة. Always clean this lens by xylol. ننظفها باستخدام الزايلول، ننظف العدسة من الزيت وكذلك السلايد باستخدام مادة الزايلول. Return back the objective lens to the smallest one اللي هي 4x. Take the slide off and clean it and put it on the slide box. This video explains how can use the light microscope.
This is a compound light microscope. We call it compound because light passes through two lenses, one here and one here. So first of all, this part of the light microscope is the arm. We grab from the arm and we support from the base. This part is the stage, and these are stage adjustment knob, moving the stage from the back and right and left. This part is a nose piece holding the objective lenses, and each objective lens has a color code, a different colored line or stripe showing the magnification power. This is 4, and this is 10, this is 40 times objective lens. Fine adjustment knob. So how do we begin? Turn on the microscope. See the light coming up. You can adjust the light with diaphragm as well if necessary. Okay. First, make sure the shortest one, the low power objective lens, the 4 is turned on. Make sure it's turned on. Then make sure the stage is down. Okay. And then we fix this light onto the stage with the stage clips. Okay. Make sure the sample is right in the center of light before you start looking through the eyepiece lens. Make sure it's right on top of light. So as we look through, you can also adjust the length according to your eye by using this. Use the coarse adjustment knob only to move the stage up. And we make fine adjustment knob as well. Whenever we need to turn to a higher magnification, we rotate. We never use the coarse adjustment knob anymore, just the fine adjustment knob. Change the magnification. Just the fine adjustment knob. The coarse adjustment knob we don't use. When you're done, before touching anything else, make sure turn back to the shortest one, and then by using the coarse adjustment knob, make sure the stage is down, okay, and then take the slide out. This is how we use the compound light microscope.